Hi everyone. Today I'll be going over my speech and presentation over the project we're doing over cultural presentations. And today I picked as my topic the Filipino culture. And it's something I've been more in tune with and more familiar with due to my relationship with a girlfriend who happens to be Filipino. And I decided to ask her a few questions regarding her culture, and I hope you guys enjoy. So let me just go to the next slide. And the best part about living in the US is that we're able to have the freedom to pursue our own cultures, religions, any religious practices that we may have, and anything involving our culture. And we also get to share those experiences with others and experience others' cultures. And the US is just one big diverse country that has a lot to offer, and that's the best part that I really enjoy. And now, transitioning towards the Filipino culture, something that really spoke to me is how in tune they are with their family and their culture. Just like the Mexican culture, our elders are greatly respected in theirs as well, and we make sure we just give them the most respect and always make them come first. We're really close to our loved ones there as well, and whenever any loved one's in need, they just offer their help. And a lot of the traditions originate from the Philippines, and their language is Tagalog, and it has some Spanish vocabulary in it as well. And the religion is Christianity. A lot of them practice that, and one of the traditions is when the female daughter reaches the age of 16, it's almost as a sweet 16. And when Mexican culture, whenever they hit 15, they have a quinceanera, but for this, it's some type of birthday party. They have a festival when they hit 16, and they have the daughter wear a dress as well. And they were strongly influenced by the Spaniards who colonized them back in the early on, and that's where they have the mix of Spanish, the Spanish language in their culture, and as well as some Spanish traditions, as well as the whole birthday celebration. And they're also influenced by the Western countries, by the United States as well. And this just gives me a lot of insight. I hope this gives everyone insight on how the culture is and how they are, and I think it's an interesting culture. Thank you.